I just looked at my YouTube channel and realized it's been 11 months since I updated the progress on the Mustang. Oh, sad. So I work for one of the Silicon Valley tech companies, one of the larger ones. And somewhere around 11 months ago, I reached complete burnout. And so I have just started working on this guy again. From the last pictures, I didn't even have the fenders on there. You can see I've got the fenders stubbed in. I've got a radiator mounted. She's a 24-inch instead of the 20. Dual fan configuration, Champion. I think it was Power by the Hour where I got that. I have a condenser in. That's from Vintage Air. Goes with my Vintage Air that's stubbed up inside there. I stubbed the lower and grill in there just to see how she fits, and I'm gonna have to replace all that. It's all bent, but it's stubbed in there so I can see what it looks like. Today's project, which brings me back to the update, I am so proud of this. It took more work than I expected. If I turn this little thing right here, those little round things down there turn. Pretty cool.